Today is a celebration, of course, and Dr. King was a firm believer in bringing people of all colors, all backgrounds together. And if you look out in the crowd, it's some of everyone. There's younger people, there's older people, there's people of all colors and different types of cultures. And I believe like if he was here today to look out in the crowd, he would just be so pleased because his dream was for us to come together as one.
We are celebrating through the arts. We are acknowledging where we come from, but also highlighting those people in our community that are doing the work.
This is community at its best. And I look forward here at Boca Raton for us to continue to grow as a community and live into these ideals that Dr. King called us to. Today's event was wonderful. Despite the rain this year, there was a huge crowd of people. We had college students from some of the local universities. We had young people, school-age children. We had community leaders. Everyone was represented, sharing a sense of joy and community that we are Boca Raton, and that Dr. King still has something to say to all of us as members of this community of Boca Raton and as citizens. So this is great.